Hey everyone, today we are going to make a page in WordPress. For making a page, we have to go to the WordPress first. Now we are going to the WordPress and this will be our WordPress. Now we have to go to the pages option. After clicking the pages option, there will be like two options will occur, like all pages and add new. If we want to create a new page, so we have to go to the add new option. After going to the add new option, this screen will be like this, and there we have to write the title. We can write anything here. Now we are writing it something web and internet. We write it as title, and there will be a body part. We can write anything here also as we want. Actually, we can write that this is our favorite, this is our favorite favorite subject. So we wrote a body and title. So now we are going to publish it. After clicking the publish option, there will be okay, they told us that already published. After publishing it, we are going back, and just we are clicking it here again, and see there is a web and internet page already occurred because we wrote it there. So all pages means we can see all the pages here. And now this is how we can create pages, and we can see how many pages we created. Thank you.